the show? So fantastic. I'll just see if you've got big voices as well. Hello, little small person. Hello. Oh, you talk back to you? Yes, I do. Hello. Hey, listen. I thought before I start the show, I've got to find out about you as well. Hands up, does anybody know any magic words? So just to help me with the show, does anybody know any? Have a banana? I've just had my abracadabra. Do you know what? That's a very famous one. And I'm going to see if that's in my special book. You see, it says magic smells. I don't think it smells, does it? Unless you smelt my socks, it's really smelly. Shall I see what other words I've got in here? Let's see if I got... Now, this is not my book. This is my mummy's book, and if you see her, don't tell her I've got it. She gets very, very cross with me. If you see her, she's got a green face. And she's like, wears a pointed hat, and she was in a show here as well, called Wicked as well. How cool is that? So listen, I'm going to have a look for... I'm going to see if I've got, like... I think I've got abracadabra. Should we see if I've got abracadabra in here? So, abracadabra, is that what you said? Should we have a look as well? Let me have a look as well. I think I've got, what? You saw my mum? Is she over there? Behind me? Stop following me. Hang on, and let's have a look for another magic word. Let's see if I've got, I've got hocus pocus, in case you like that one as well. And I've got a special one, which I'm going to teach you as well today. Are you scaring me? What? She's in the book. I've only got magic words in the book. I've got like the abracadabra thing. So I'm going to teach you this magic word now, which I'm going to call... Are you all teasing me? Really? Hey, I tell you what, forget that. I'm going to teach you my magic word. It's called... Wait for it. Giggly, googly. You smile when you say it. Can you all say... If I count to 3, let's see if you've got big voices, right? Some people are very quiet. They go... But it's called giggly googly. I'm going to see how big your voices are. Are we ready? I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3! That was very big voices, hey? Oh, the baby was like, get off my ears. So listen, we're gonna say the magic words, which are giggly googly. So when this goes wrong a bit, some of my tricks go a little bit wrong. Would you all help me with those magic words? You just go giggly googly, and then the magic will happen. Is that okay? I hope so. Anyway, should we try? Hey, listen. I thought, because I've come a long way today, and I'm in Cardiff, aren't I? And I did some shopping. Do you want to see what I bought? I bought something. I'm going to show you. I hope you like it. I spent a lot of money. I paid 300 pence. It's a lot of money for me. So have a look. Here's a picture. And I thought, it looked like me. Do you want to see it? Do you like that? Can you all see it? I know you're like far away and stuff. Can you all see it? Do you like it? Does it look a bit like me? But you know what? When I bought it, I thought there's something missing. Does anybody know what's missing? The colours are missing. Well done. The colours are missing. So do you know what? I have brought along my magic paints. Do you all like colouring and things? Do you like paint? Do you like colouring things in? Well, that's great, because you can all help me again, because I've got some magic paints as well. I'm going to show you my magic paints. They're really cool. Now, I'm going to warn you now. They're a bit smelly, okay? So when I take the lid off, some people might go, oh! Some people might even go, but they're the ones from Ely. Anyway, let's just take the lid off. I don't think they're too bad. You can't smell them, can you? You can't? Nobody's going, that's okay. So listen, we're going to do, this is how they work. This is how these work. They go, Harry the spider. I put the brush into the pot, and somebody shouts a colour. I hope you all know colours. You all know colours. Right, we're going to try it, because I'm going to put the brush in, and then somebody, I'm going to count to 3, and somebody's going to shout a colour. 1, 2, 3! Red, I like red. Shall we see if we got red? Here we go. I do the magic wiggle, I go, la 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 la. Red, red. We've got red. I've got to put all these colours into the mixing bag. Now, there's nothing in there yet, okay? So... Get it away! That was my hand. I thought it was a naked puppet. Hey, listen, let me just close this hole up by here a second. There we go. Right, all the colours into the bag, like so. Red first. La 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 la. That was a smelly one. Does anybody... Right, here we go. Should we try another one? Blue. Love a blue. 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 Can you see blue? We've got red and blue. Hey. Oh dear. That really smelled like my socks, that one did. Hands up who else wants it. Just hands up who wants to say a colour. And they can't shout it. I tell you what then. This is the easiest way to do it. In case you don't want to shout out. All you need to do is you can whisper the colours into your hand. Oh, this is how it works. So if you want green, you just go green. And you hold it tight. If you want purple, you just go purple. And you hold it tight and you hold them very, very tight. I'm going to count to 3 again. And you throw them. Is that okay? Should we try it? I'm going to count to 3, then you're going to whisper your colours first. 1, 2, 3. And whisper. Hold them tight. Hold them tight. I'm going to count to 3 again and we're going to throw those colours. Are you ready? I'm going to catch them in my hand. 1, 2, 3. Throw! Ow! That was my eye! Let's have some more. Let's have some more. Whisper some more. I need some more. I need to fill that hat up. Have we got any? That's brilliant. Black and... Oh, hang on. Guys, give yourselves a big, big, big super clap. That was a good throw. Nice colours as well. Hey, you were good. Are you like real magicians? You are, aren't you? I thought so. Don't be too good, because I'm not really a magician. I'm on community service today. I'm just kidding. So you can all really help me with these and get these colours, because I've got to get the colours into my picture. Now, this is the easy bit. I've got to get them in to the bag. But I've got to make them disappear and go into the picture. But I can't do it on my own. I'm going to need somebody to come and stand here and help me. Have I got anybody who wants to help Magic Stew? Would you like to help? What's your name? Hey, I'm going to come and get you. What's your name? Hannah. That's a lovely name. I used to be called Hannah when I was 3. Would you come with me, Hannah? Let's give Hannah a big, big, big super clap. Come and join me, Hannah. Watch the steps. Watch the steps. There we go. Hannah, you're going to stand right here. There's a little trap door there. Now, just in case, I'm just kidding. Hey, tell us about you, Hannah. How old are you? 35? Okay, don't get cranky. Hey, and where are you from? Do you live like close? Have you come a long way today, Hannah? Has it been a big journey? Have you had to pay money? Or have you just walked and been dragged out of bed? You have, haven't you? Hey, Hannah, we're going to turn you into a magician now. So, do you know what we're going to do? What do you think Hannah needs to hold in her hand to do magic? What do magicians have? Do you know? Magic wand, well done. Hey, Hannah, I've got a magic wand. Now, you promised me look after this. It was once owned by my late granddad. He's still alive, he's just always late. But that's a grown-up's joke again. So listen, Hannah, promise me look after that for me. I'm going to give it a bit of a... Oh, hello. Very expensive. There you go. Thanks, Hannah. Now, Hannah is going to help me with the magic, and you are going... Hannah, how do you do that? Are you like a real magician now? Right, hang on, don't worry, I've got another one. I've got this from Spot Market. There we go. Hang on to that one, Hannah. I like a bracelet. Now, we're going to do it. Don't worry about it. I've got another one. Well, I've got this one, but it's a bit broke, Hannah. Let's see if I can fix it. Hang on. I think I've just got to... Sorry, Hannah. I'm just going to... That one, Hannah. That won't break. Look. Ow. That won't break. You're going to hang on to that one, right? Now be very careful. Ow. I'm fine, Hannah. I'm fine. Don't worry about it. My ex-wife used to do that all the time. Just hang on to it, keep it low like that. That's perfect. Ah! Hannah, how are they dangerous with that? But that's cool. I'm gonna keep that there. Hannah, you've got a really good job now because all I've got to do, I've got to put all these handkerchiefs into like the bag. Are you ready? We need to hit the bag really hard, Hannah. Should we have a practice first? Let's see how hard you can hit it. Give it a big whack. Are you ready? Whack it. Ah! You missed! You find that funny, Hannah, don't you? Right, Hannah. Colours in the bag. Do you remember the magic words, giggly googly? If you've just turned up, they're called giggly googly, and I'm going to see how loud you can shout them, okay? And when they shout that giggly googly word really loud, Hannah, you're going to whack the bag! Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Fantastic! I'm going to count to 3 for everybody to see it. 1, 2, 3! Whack it! Right, Hannah. You weren't afraid of that, were you? Shall we see if the colours are gone? I'm so excited, Hannah. Let's give it a big, big, big super clap. The colours have gone. Hannah, that was quite cool. Thanks for your help as well. Shall we see if the colours have gone in the picture? Hannah, let's have a look. Oh, yes, they have! Yes! Oh! Some areas to it. I'll high-five myself. Oh! I missed. Did you see the picture? I'll show you. There you go. Ta-da! What now? Can't you see? Shall I turn it around? There you go. Ta-da! What? Shall I? The other way. Sorry, the other way. There you go. Is that better? Are you coming like this? Okay. Like that. I can't copy a child anymore. Shall I show it you for real? Give yourselves a big super clap. A big super clap for Hannah. Hey, Hannah. Do you know what? We're on a budget. Looking for the council here. All free. Hannah, I tell you what, that's a good idea. Would you like to keep that? I was hoping for an iPad, really, but... or maybe an Xbox. I tell you what, Hannah, you can keep this forever and ever. And yes, you can have it. No, I've got nothing cheaper. So I tell you what I'll do. Hannah, I'm going to write on there. To Hannah. Is it H-A-N-N-A-H? Oh, we are Porsche. We'll just speed up the birth certificate. H-A-N-H. H-A-N-N-A. That is so cool. That's like Swedish now. To Hannah, have a magic day. And from Magic Stew, because that's me, that's my real name. So when I went for a job in the job centre, I had to be a magician. Hey Hannah, can I take that magic wand? You can have that forever and ever and ever, okay? And I'm going to help you off the stage as well. Let's give it a big, 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 big super clap. It's Hannah! Oh, it's Hannah! Yay! Oh, that was good, wasn't it? Oh, I forgot to put the next, aren't I? Guys, listen. Hey, do you want to see, I'm going to find out. Guys, do you want to meet my first guest? I've got a special guest. His name's Banjo. He looks like this. Can you see the little puppy dog there? Well, he looks a bit different now because I put him on the wrong watch. But he's still the same smelly puppy dog. But he wanted to come and see you all. He's coming to Cardiff. And the only thing is, he's sleeping. Do you think we can wake him up? His name's Banjo. So I think, if I count to 3, everybody starts going, Banjo, Ban. I mean, don't do the bouncy thing. Just go, Banjo, Ban. Are you ready? I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Banjo, Banjo. Come on, Banjo. Wake up, you smelly dog. Everybody's coming to see you. They're all calling you. Well, some of them. Come on, you coming out? Banjo, wake up. This is so embarrassing. I'm sorry about this. Banjo, you need to wake up. You want to come and see this show. And you want to come and see all the boys and girls, and they're really, really good today as well. What now? He's going to wake up. What did you see? Did you see Banjo? If you see him again, will you shout Magic Stew for me? Only when you see him shout Magic Stew. Stop teasing me, everyone! Stop it! Did you really see him? Honestly? Really? It's over 25 minutes, this. Honestly? Is he there? Should we have a look? I tell you what, I've got a good idea. I've got a good idea before we get attacked. I'm going to look the other way. Oh! Alright, get back up here. Thank you very much. Now stop he's just showing off, he really is. Stop licking my face. Now behave yourself. Listen, say hi to the boys and girls. Say hi, Banjo. Listen, he's going to do a little trick for you where I don't know what he... Alright! Stop biting your basket! You what? You're hungry? You're not hungry. You've had dog biscuits this morning. Now behave yourself. In fact, you pinched my biscuits as well. My little custard creams. Now, aye! You've broken that now. That's very naughty. In front of all the boys and girls as well. You want to fix it. You're not fixing it now. You brought something to tap it with. Have you really? What have you got to tap it? He's got something to tap it with. I think he just wants to fix his basket. What have you got to tap it with? You've got to tap it. That's pathetic. Now stop showing off, will you? Where'd you get that from? Right! You got it from the girls' toilets. You are going to get thrown out, you are. He's going to do a little trick for you now, okay? Where he... Right, come on. He's going to fix his basket. Wait until I move my hand. Look, I'll tell you what I'll do. If you want to fix it, I'll count to 3. Then I'll nod my head like this. Then you tap it. Is that okay? 1, 2, 3, nod. Ow! Oi! That's not funny. No, I did not say tap my head. I said I count to 3. Then I'll nod my head like this. Then you tap it. 1, 2, 3, nod. Ow! Right, stop messing about now. He's just showing off. He really is just showing off. Can you what? Can you do your trick? You don't really have a trick. You want to do your handkerchief trick? I've not seen a handkerchief trick. Come on then. It's not really good. Oh, that's horrible! That's disgusting. That's not a trick. That's a disappearing bogies trick. Don't encourage him. Listen, we're going to say goodbye to him now, so we're going to put one hand in the air and... You what? You want to take a selfie? What's a selfie? Come on then. He's going to take a little... Now... Oh! Stop it! That's terrible. That's really... Sorry, nobody got wet then, did they? It's okay, it's only bleach anyway. Hey, listen, let's put one hand in the air and say... Bye-bye, Banjo! You are very naughty, you are. You're not coming to parties anymore. Guys, I got one question to ask. Are you ready for more magic? Say yes, Magic Stew! Hey, I tell you what. Has anybody got a pussycat in the house? Have you got a little pussycat? A big pussycat? Anybody got a pussycat? No? You all live in flats, do you? You got a pussycat? What's your pussycat's name? Tegan. That's a posh name, isn't it? I've got a niece called Tegan, and we'll never look at it the same way now. Tegan! Get off Uncle Stew! Hey, look, this is Magic Stew's pussycat. He's not real, but he keeps me company, and he sits in my car, because I travel a long, long way sometimes, and he keeps me company. And if I stay here, you can give him a little spoon as well. Very soft, just see how smooth he is, very soft. Get off me. I'm not getting involved. I haven't come for an interaction. Look, it's very, very soft. I'm going to come over because you said, hello, baby. Hello. Talks as well. Oh, wow. He's very, very soft, isn't he? Listen, I'm going to call him, although it's a boy, I'm going to call him Tegan. Is that okay? Don't tell him he's like this, a girl's thing and stuff. But, listen, we're going to put him right. Oh, hang on, thanks for that. It does fall off. I normally do this. Here we go. Now, what I'm going to do... gonna need all your help again. I'm gonna need the magic words. Guys, I tell you what. Shall we see if we can get the tail to get back onto Tegan by magic? Shall we try it? Let's get the tail into magic stews handkerchief. Here we go. Right. I'm gonna need a magic wand as well. Got my brand new magic wand. So after 3, I need a big loud giggly googly. Are you ready? My new magic wand. Nice and loud, okay? What? Yeah, it's my magic wand. It's new. Really expensive as well. And, what now? Nothing wrong with it. Listen, we're gonna get... That's okay. Have a sit down. Thank you for that. Let me just, I think I'm just gonna screw that bit in. There we go. There you go. No, we won't pay. Stop it. Hang on. How cool is that? Have a sit back, don't you miss the show. Guys, after 3, I need the biggest giggly googly ever. We're going to get the tail to jump from the handkerchief onto... Tegan. Giggly googly. 1, 2, 3! Should we see if it's gone? Give yourselves a big super clap again. I think it's... I'm going to have a look. I'm so excited. Tegan, have you got your tail? I think he has. Tegan, give me a big... You're not smiling. I think... Oh no! Give me a giggly googly again. 1, 2, 3! He's still not smiling. Have you got his tail yet? Oh no! Green! Not green. Try again after 3. Giggly googly. 1, 2, 3! Tegan, have you got your tail? I think he... Give me one more go. Giggly googly. 1, 2, 3! You did it again. Give yourselves a big super clap. Tegan has got his tail. Tegan the boy. Guy, do you want to do something like really cool? Do you want to like help me with a magic trick? I'm learning a magic trick. Is it like a trampoline there? Hey! I'm learning a magic trick, and you promised me, right? You'll tell me if it's any good, and you might see it. Some of you won't, but I'm going to make this handkerchief disappear. Shall I show you? Watch this. I put the handkerchief in my hand like this. 1, 2, 3. Yay! That's my new... Oh! Right, okay. That's okay. Have a sit back down. It's not a Cardiff City football match. Hands up who saw how I did that one. Hands up. Does anybody see how I did it? I think you did, didn't you? You saw it as well. Right, I'm going to do it so you don't see it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! It's not! It's gone! Did you see it again? Oh, you saw it again. Hands up who saw how I did it. Right, you've got to promise me now. Magic words. We're going to make it disappear for real. Are you ready? The yellow handkerchief in my hand. Give me a giggly googly after 3. Let's make it disappear. Guys, are you ready? Giggly googly. 1, 2, 3. Shall we see if it's gone? Give yourselves a big super clap. But it doesn't disappear forever because look, can you see this? This is Magic Stew's bag of secrets. And the yellow handkerchief, it jumps in there. Watch, it's going to jump back out. Are you ready? Give me the hanky. No. Right. I've got it. The yellow handkerchief. Not flowers! Sorry. The yellow hanky. The yellow hanky. Give me a giggly googly after 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. You've done it again. Give yourselves a big super clap, guys. You're amazing. I'm going to sit there and watch you. You are so good. Guys, it's come to the part of the show where I've got to ask somebody to help me in a minute. Is that okay? Does anybody? Well, I've got a couple of hands. Right. So in a minute I'm going to be asking somebody. But first, before I do that, I'm trying to meet my next guest. His name's Roger. He's a very cheeky bunny rabbit. Say hi, Roger. Take a bow, mate. Take a bow. He's not just a bunny rabbit. No, he's a magic bunny rabbit, and he lives in this house. He goes into the room and disappears. Do you want to see it? It's so cool. He goes into this room, and Roger the rabbit, he will disappear. Are you ready, Roger? No. Shut up. Into the room he goes. I tap the door 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I open the door and he's gone. Did you see him go in here? Yeah. Really? Should we have a look? Roger? He's gone! He's what? He's in the other door. Where to? But you said this one. Okay, have a sit back down for me, have a sit back down. I tell you what I'll do, I'll keep that door there, and I'll take this wall away, is that okay? So, should we have a look now? Should we see if he's in here? Should we open the door? Has he gone? Should we give him a big super clap? I think he's gone. Well done, Roger. Well done, Roger. He's not there. If I can see that. Look, he's not there. He's not there either. Shall I take this wall away then? Shall we have a look? Shall we give him a big super clap? It's Roger! Well done, Roger. You can come back in a couple of days, Roger. Bye! He's gone. Guys! He's come back! Let's give him a big super clap! It's Roger! Well done, mate. You can sit there and watch the show, Roger, because you know what's coming now. We've got to pick somebody to help us, Roger. Somebody to do the show. Hands up who wants to help you do the show. Oh, there's a couple of hands going up. Because normally I pick somebody who's been really good in the show, and you've all been fantastic. And there's, oh, I can't pick. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my picking stick. And this will pick somebody for me. It can't see you. It just moves on its own, okay? So, just relax. And if it comes to you, but if you don't want to help, because it doesn't know who wants to help. So if you don't want to help, don't go, no, please, I just wanted to help. Don't go like that. Just say, no, thank you. And it moves again, okay? Right, let's try it. Do you like that? That was my daddy's magic wand. He was a good magician, my dad. He did a disappear act when I was 7. It's another grown-up's joke. Right, here we go. Guys, let's give this a bit of a polish. Pick and stick, who are you going to pick? Who are you going to pick for my next trick? Who are you going to pick and stick? And move. All on your own. Go. Go! Move! It does move on its own, honestly. You really... Well, I'm looking. Right. Come on, watch it this time. Pick a stick, pick... Ah! Just go. Not yet. Just pick somebody. Ah! Nearly my eye! Right. You were going back in your seat, but he doesn't like it in here, okay? So he can't really move now. So I'm going to have to... Stop showing off. He can't move now, so... That is weird! I'll do it myself. Pick and stick, holy pig. Holy pig for my next trick. Holy pig, pick and stick. Holy pig. It stopped. I stopped. It stopped. Baby, hang on, I think it's coming here. What's your name? Amalia. These are posh. Would you like to help me, Amalia? Give me your hand. Let's give Amalia a big super clap. Come on, join me, Amalia. Watch the steps. Ready? I can never get that one right, come and stand here, Amalia. Come and stand by here. That's okay, but they'll be fine. Tell us about you, hang on. Let's get a big voice for you, Amalia.
Testing, testing.
Sorry, Amalia. Hey, listen. Sorry, Amalia. There we go. Oh dear, forget it, it's broken. Tell us about you. How old are you, Amalia? 33! You're all old. 3 years old. Hey, do you go to school? Are you a big girl going to school? Do you go to school? Do you go to I go to nursery as well. Can I come to your nursery? Oh, come on. Have you got like lots of like playing things and cars and things and dolls and stuff? I want to come to your nursery. I'm going to come to your nursery on Monday. Is that okay, Amalia? Okay. I might get like taken away with the police really, but hey, Amalia, you're going to be my little magician. Is that okay? What, do you remember what Amalia will need now to do magic? What does she need to have in her hand? A magic wand. Hey, Amalia, I have run out of magic wands. So what I've done, I've borrowed something from the kitchen. I borrowed something from the kitchen over there, okay? It looks like a magic wand. And they make the cakes. I know, pretend it's a magic wand. I've run out of magic wands. Just don't break it, Amalia. How did you do that? Don't worry, I've got another one. You're going to have to use the one I was going to use now, Amalia. That's another big, like real powerful magic wand. There's loads of magic in there. Would you hang on to that one now? What? How did you do that? Amalia, please don't do magic. Amalia, how are you doing that? Can you just, oh, well done. It's a clever girl. You didn't do... Was it me? Thanks for that, Amalia. It's the first time anybody's credited me for that one. And, oh, this is good. That's the last one. You were a very good... Amalia, you were brilliant. How on earth did you hold onto them? Because normally they fall over the floor. Hey, I tell you what, Amalia. You can pick one of these to do the trick.
Have that one, Magic Stew, thank you.
That's okay, Amalia. You're very polite.
You're very funny, Magic Stew.
Thanks, Amalia. Today, I wonder who that was. Hey, Amalia, are you afraid of balloons? You are good, because this thing's gonna pop, okay? But I'm gonna be standing over here, and you're gonna pop it with magic. How cool is that? And before I pop it, who wants to see some Magic Stew balloon modelling? Oh, Magic Stew, champion balloon model of 2035. A long time to practice. Magic Stew's balloon modelling, Amalia. Here we go.
La la la. La 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 la.
I was modelling a balloon. Amalia, proper balloon modelling. Let's see if you can guess, okay? Well, hang on with the wand. Don't pop it yet. Here we go.
That's a snake.
Don't pop it yet.
Oh, that's a worm, Magic Stew.
That's right. Well done, Amalia.
That's another snake.
Yeah. Thanks, Amalia.
Oh, I think that's a caterpillar.
It is, Amalia. Well done. And,
Magic Stew.
yes, Amalia.
Do you do requests?
I do. Oh, you ventriloquism as well. Was it? Who's got Amalia's voice behind here? You're very clever here, Amalia. Hey, listen, guys, would you help me with a magic word again? But it's a new magic word because of new people. So we're gonna shout out the word pop. I'm gonna count to 3. Should we practice? 1, 2, 3. Where I come from is Welsh for lemonade. Mom, I want some pop. Here we go, Amalia. Yeah. Dessert. Stay there for me, Amalia.
Yes.
Can you see me, Amalia?
Yes, I'm not blind.
Can you see the balloon?
Yes, I can.
Are you ready?
I was born ready.
You were born ready. Well done.
Magic Stew.
Yes, Amalia.
I like your jacket.
Thanks, Amalia. How are you doing that, Amalia? 2 voices. You like my jacket?
Yes, I do. It hides your fat belly.
Right. Amalia, you're doing a great job, okay? Stay where you are. When they shout pop, you go like that with a wand and see the little hole. The magic comes out. It comes and Pops the balloon. Should we try it? Have a stay where you are. You just go like that, okay? Guys, we're ready with a pop to help Amalia. After 3. 1, 2, 3. And go like that, Amalia. No, stay there. There's not much room for me. Ready, go. Give her a big super clap, Amalia. Hang on there. You've done a fantastic job.
Yes, I'm good, aren't I?
You are, Amalia. I won't do that too many times so you get a bit annoyed there. Yeah! Amalia, we're going to try it again now, and I'm going to stand further away. So I hope you don't hit me. Is that okay? You stay where you are. Are you ready, guys? This is a big test for Amalia now.
Magic stew.
Yes, Amalia. Sorry, Amalia. After 3, pop. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Don't worry, I've got my safety glasses. Stay there, Amalia. I've got my safety glasses. There they are. There they got my safety glasses. This one's broken. There we go. Right, Amalia. That's okay, you're doing a great job. I'm just gonna... Amalia! Stay there! Where are you? I can't see a thing. Oh. I can't see a thing. I'll turn my back. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Pop. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ow! I want him, Amalia. One more go. 1, 2, 3. Let's give it a big super clap. It's Amalia! Amalia, that was fantastic. Hang on there, Amalia.
Can I have a prize?
Yes, you can.
Is there an Xbox?
No. But Amalia, you've done a fantastic job and you were a good shot, so you got a real expensive Magic Stew medal. I'm going to hold your hand while we jump down the steps. Let's give Amalia a big, 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 big super clap. It's Amalia, everybody! Amalia! Oh. Sorry. I'm fine. Sorry. That works. Have you been riding that? You come on now, have you? Oh, baby's awake. Guys! I just realised something. The end of the show. Oh, I'm glad you all didn't go, thank God for that. Should we do one more trick? Well, it's not quite a trick, but you want to see how... It is my mummy's birthday tomorrow. You know, the green face, the big weird hat. It's her birthday tomorrow. She's like over 100 now. Do you want to see what I bought her? Got a flower for her. Do you like it? There's sometimes... I sneeze, and I'm allergic to flowers. No, I was in a florist last week, I had an asthma attack. Got beaten up by 2 asthmatics. Right, do you like it? It's my mummy for a birthday. I just can't sneeze. Do you like it? Do you think, mummy, it's not real, but it's... That's you! It's not real, but it's like a... Oh no! Guys, I tell you what. Do you think Mummy will notice if I just put it like that? Should I put it like that? Will Mummy notice? No. Guys, I'm going to need your help again. Do you remember the magic words giggly googly? Will you shout them after 3? I'm gonna put this in the handkerchief like this. And then we're going to have a nice big giggly googly. Are you ready? After 3. Let me get a magic wand to help you. Giggly googly after 3. 1, 2, 3! Hang on. After 3, giggly googly. 1, 2, 3! Have a look. Oh, the flower's gone this time. Shall we see if it's on the plant? Oh, yay! Didn't work! Off the stage, darling. Off the stage from me, Anna. Off the stage. Off the stage. Just take it. Watch. Careful. on the magic wand. It's not on there. It's not there either. Should we try one more time? Giggly googly. 1, 2, 3. Shall we have a look now? Oh, it's just not working. It's on the wand. It's not on the wand. Ah! Guys, can we just... Would you blow on my hand? Oh, it's gone! Guys, should we see if the flowers got back on? I'm so excited. Give yourselves a big, 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 big super clap. Mummy can have a present. Hey, guys. It's just gone. But it's the end of the show. But give yourselves a big, big, big super clap for helping Magic Stew, okay? Thank you so much for helping. Watch when you step back off the stage now, okay?